Types of embryo development in dicotyledonous plants. So, there is a proembryo, that means two-celled stage. In the proembryo, there is apical cell or a terminal cell and a basal cell. It is a two-celled stage. After that, this two-celled stage is now converted into three-celled or then four-celled stage. So the Maheshwari has recognized 5 main types of embryos in dicotyledonous plants. He used the two criteria. The first criteria is how the terminal cell divides. When the terminal cell divides by a longitudinal division, there are the two main types of embryos, that is the crucifer type and the onagrad, crucifer or onagrad and asterad. And when the terminal cell divides by transverse division, there are the three types, solanad, caryophyllid and chenopodiad. So here you observe the terminal cell, when it divides by a longitudinal division, the first, that is the crucifer. You observe the CA, that means apical cell or the terminal cell, which is divided by the longitudinal wall. And this type of embryo, it is seen in the members of the family like Onagraceae, Brassicaceae, Euphorbiaceae, etc. Apical cell divides longitudinally. Then there is asterad type, that means it is found in the family Asteraceae, Polygonaceae, Urticaceae, etc. Again you observe the CA, and in this CA longitudinal division is there, but it is somewhat oblique division. So there are the two types, crucifer type and the asterad type, when the terminal cell divides by longitudinal division. Then the terminal cell divides by a transverse division. So here you observe the solanad, naturally the members of Solanaceae, Linaceae, Rubiaceae, Papaver, etc. Then caryophyllid type or the Caryophyllaceae type, it is again in the family Caryophyllaceae mainly, Fabaceae, Droseraceae, etc. Then Chenopodiad, that is the family Chenopodiaceae. Here in the all the three types, transverse division, terminal cell divides by transverse division. So the Maheshwari, on the basis of the division in the apical cell, either it is a longitudinal or the transverse, there are the 5 major types. Then the Johnson, he observed that in the members of the family Piperaceae, Lorantheaceae, the first division in the zygote is not transverse, but it is vertical. And so he named this type of embryo as a Piperaceae. And this is the 6th type of development. So crucifer type, asterad type, solanad, caryophyllid and chenopodiad. These are the 5 major types according to the Maheshwari, and by the Johnson it is Piperaceae. So this is the first criteria used by the Maheshwari, that how the terminal cell divides. Then the second criteria is how the basal cell behaves. In the crucifer type, the basal cell, it has no any role or a very little role in the further development of the embryo in the crucifer. So there is the no or the little. Terminal cell entirely responsible for the development of the further embryo. Then in the asteroid, basal cell as well as the terminal cell plays important role. So on the basis of how the basal cell behaves, he divide the crucifer and the asteroid. Terminal cell divides longitudinally, but in the crucifer, basal cell has no any or very little role in the development. Asteroid take a part in the development. Then in the terminal cell, again here you observe in the solenoid, basal cell divides and gives rise to the suspensor. In the caryophyllid, again it has no any role, and in the chenopodioid it plays role in the further development. So here terminal cell behaves, or it has a main function in the formation of the embryo, but the basal cell has no any role in the caryophyllid. He produces a suspensor in the solenoid, and in the chenopodioid it has a very small role. So this is the second criteria used by the Maheshwari for the development of this type of development of the embryo. Thank you.